ever wanted to create fun, relaxing content without ever showing your face? Imagine captivating your audience with stunning animal videos set to beautiful music and doing it all for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create faceless animal content using free resources you can find online. Let's have a look into some examples for similar YouTube channels in same niche to see how they are performing. This channel called Scenic Relaxation, they have 1.32 million subscribers from just 174 videos, and the popular videos are reaching 21 millions of views. If we head to Social Blade, we can see that this channel is making between $2,000 and $32,000 monthly. Insane, right? And if you look into the video's content, it is about stock footage videos with a relaxation music. And from our side, we will add one more step, which is the voiceover, to make the video even more attractive and informative. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a new creative project, this method is super easy and beginner-friendly. With just a few simple steps, you'll be uploading your own high-quality videos in no time. Let's start with the visuals. You don't need a fancy camera or expensive footage to have 4K videos. I will introduce you to 3 of the best websites where you can find free video stockage for almost anything you want. The first website is Pexels. It is one of the best royalty-free video providers shared by creators. Just search for the video topic you want and explore the massive library of videos. Another famous website is Pixabay. Similar to Pexels, it contains a huge library of royalty-free videos stock for all content sizes. And the third website is Canva. Even for the free user, he will be able to find a large number of videos ready to be used without paying anything. Choose any of the websites listed. Look for videos of animals in their natural habitats, birds, lions, dolphins. Download them in a folder, so in this way we can say that the first step is done. Next up, let's talk about the music. Adding the right soundtrack is key to setting the mood of your videos. The good news? You can find free, royalty-free music on platforms that I'm going to share with you. First up, Pixabay. Not only contains free videos, also you can benefit from Pixabay to have royalty-free music to be added to your video. This website is awesome and almost contains anything a content creator needs. A second platform we can benefit from it to have a royalty-free music is YouTube Audio Library, where you will find thousands of music tracks filtered by genre to facilitate the search for you. Using one of the platforms we mentioned, search for a relaxation music suitable for your content. And once you find it, download it to the folder to close the second step, video preparation. Now, while the visuals and music are important, a little bit of context can go a long way. Using ChatGPT, you can easily generate interesting facts and information about the animals in your videos. Simply ask ChatGPT for fun facts about the animals featured in your video. For example, did you know that dolphins sleep with one eye open? These little nuggets of info will keep your audience engaged while they relax to the calming visuals. In this way, you will get an engaging script for your video. You can revise it by yourself in case you want to make any changes. And once satisfied, copy it to a Google document folder to finish step 3. Last but not least, let's talk about the voiceover. If you're not comfortable recording your own voice, no worries. I brought you 2 awesome tools that can generate professional quality voiceovers from text. The first tool is ElevenLabs, one of the leader platforms in transforming text to speech. Just type or paste the animal facts from ChatGPT, select your preferred voice, and voila! You have a natural-sounding voiceover ready for your video. Only one problem may encounter you in the free version of ElevenLabs, which is the limit of characters with 10,000 characters monthly. So if you plan to create content actively, you will be limited in the free version. But don't worry. I got you covered with an awesome tool which is unlimited with characters and free of use with high professional voiceovers. Introducing you Clipchamp from Microsoft. Just choose the voice you want and the language needed, then add your text and save. You will get a professional voiceover and you can keep your video creation from the platform as well. I have already shared a video about how to use Clipchamp in details, and will leave the link of the video in the description for whom they are interested to watch it. Now, after all the video components are ready, all you have to do is to upload them on CapCut program, specialized in the video editing, and start arranging the video's footage, make transitions between them, add music, and voiceover. After finishing the editing of the video, let's check the result together.
Let's explore the wild and wonderful world of nature. Today, we've got a super cool fact about one of the most iconic animals on the planet, the mighty lion.
And there you have it, a simple, free way to create relaxing, engaging animal videos without ever showing your face. Ready to start? Benefit from the tools that we used in today's video and start creating. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on creating content the easy way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.